Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to purge unused layers, blocks, line types, and other unnecessary items from your AutoCAD drawing. If you've been working on a drawing for a while, chances are it contains a lot of extra data that is no longer needed. Every time you import files, insert blocks, attach references, or make revisions, AutoCAD stores information inside the drawing. Even after deleting objects from the screen, many definitions remain in the file. Over time, this can make drawings larger, slower to open, slower to save, and more difficult to manage. Fortunately, AutoCAD includes a powerful cleanup tool called Purge that can remove unused content and help optimize your drawing. Let's see how it works. Start by opening the drawing you want to clean up. Once the drawing is open, go to the command line and type Purge, then press Enter. The Purge dialog box will appear. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories containing items that are not currently being used in the drawing. These may include layers, blocks, line types, text styles, dimension styles, shapes, and other definitions. You can expand each category to review the individual items that AutoCAD has identified as unused. If you want complete control, you can select specific items and purge them individually. In most cases, the fastest option is to click Purge All. AutoCAD will immediately remove every unused item that is safe to delete. Depending on the size of your drawing, this may take a moment. After the purge process is complete, don't close the dialog box just yet. Click Purge All again. Sometimes removing one unused item reveals additional items that can now be purged. Continue running the purge process until AutoCAD reports that no more items can be removed. You may notice that certain layers or blocks cannot be purged. This usually means they're still being referenced somewhere in the drawing. They might be part of a block definition, attached to an external reference, or assigned to hidden objects that still exist. Those references must be removed before the items can be purged. Once you've removed as many unused items as possible, close the Purge dialog box. The next step is to check the drawing for errors. Type Audit at the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will ask whether you want to fix any errors it finds. Type Y for Yes and press Enter. The Audit command scans the drawing database for corruption and repairs common issues automatically. Running Audit after Purge is a good habit because it helps ensure the drawing remains clean and stable. When the audit process is finished, save the drawing. In many cases, you'll notice that the file size has been reduced and the drawing performs more efficiently. Regularly purging and auditing your files is one of the simplest ways to keep AutoCAD drawings organized, responsive, and free from unnecessary clutter. It's especially useful before sharing files with clients, consultants, or team members. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you clean up and optimize your AutoCAD drawing, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.